Hello and welcome to the Smart IT video tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to email invoices to your customers. I'm going to start by demonstrating one of the easiest ways to email a single invoice to a customer. Start by clicking on the invoice and then the Invoice Lookup tab. First, you have to find the relevant invoice. You can do this by typing in the customer's name in the name column, or you can even just type the invoice number into the invoice number column. Let's say, for example, your customer's name is Ellen. You will note that after typing in her name, only her invoices will be present on the screen. Once you've located the relevant invoice, double-click on the invoice number. The invoice will then open up on your screen like this. From this screen, you can print, export, or email invoices. You will note there is a little envelope at the top of your screen. When you click on it, a new email will open up with the relevant invoices attached. Now you simply need to add the text to your email and send it off to your customer. There is another option you can use when you want to email invoices, which is especially useful if you want to send multiple invoices at once. Go back to Smart IT, then to the Invoice Lookup tab. Type in the customer's name in the name column. Doing this will once again filter out all the unnecessary invoices like before. Next, you will continue by ticking all of the invoices you would like to email. You can either do this manually by ticking the boxes next to the relevant invoices, or you can do this in bulk by clicking the Select All button at the bottom of your screen. The final step is to simply click on the email button and the invoices will automatically be sent to the customer through the Smart IT system. As a side note, when you use the email options at the bottom of the Invoice Lookup tab, there are a few differences that you must note between each option. If you click on Email Direct, each selected invoice will be sent individually to the client. So, if we use our previous example, Ellen would have received 5 separate emails, each with a different invoice attached. If you click on Attach to Email, a single email will be sent to the client with all of the selected invoices attached. Please note, however, this option is only applicable when you use Outlook. The last option is when you click on Email Compose. This option enables you to make your email more personal or to simply add more information to the body of your email. How would this process work if you want to send all the invoices in a certain category to those customers instead of to just one specific customer? To do this, you simply have to select the relevant filter in the grid reports. Click the arrow next to Grid Report. Here you will note a list of filters that you can choose from. For this example, let's select all the invoices for this week. As you can see, these are all the invoices that were made out this week. Once again, you can choose to either manually select all the invoices or bulk select them as demonstrated before. Thereafter, you simply have to click the email button and the emails will be sent off to the relevant customers. We hope that this video has helped you to understand how to effectively email invoices to your customers. Please contact us if you need further assistance or training.